Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Doer. Today we're gonna talk about a WhatsApp forwarded messages that as you can check out how we can forward these type of messages to too many groups. Yes, you are listening right. If we select this SMS, click on forward and we choose any groups, it will give you message like this. Forwarded message can only be sent to one group chat at a time. Okay, now what we can do so that we can SMS or send this forward this message to more than five, almost about five to more than five groups and in a one go, because again and again forwarding, sending one group, sending second group, and it's very problematic. We want to just tap and share and choose those groups in which we want to send. Now how we can do so? First of all, I'm going to showing you over here. You have to select this message which you want to send to many groups. Over here, click on copy and go to the group on which you want to send, paste over there and send that SMS. And after that you have to just long press over there, and when you click on share and choose how much you group want to choose, you can easily do so until 5 groups. I think 5 groups, no, not more than 5 groups we can send, and we can easily share. This is the way, this is a trick how we can easily share a single SMS to too many groups if it's showing you forwarded message. And that's just way. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more tricks like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do.